Santana Park, Nai Cavite. And the rough early lead is taken by May Dating. It's May Dating in the lead, followed by Eloquence, Power of Destiny, and Mr. Tatler Carmelo. And Pearl of the Orient is bringing up the rear. As they by Mr. Tatler and Carmelo on the outside by the rail is Eloquence, Power of Destiny, and Pearl of the Orient. Into the backstretch, it is still May the Thing by 2.5 lengths, followed by Mr. Tatler in second. And running in third is Carmelo, Power of Destiny, Eloquence, and Pearl of the Orient. The mid backstretch, it is still May the Thing by 3.5 lengths, followed by Mr. Tatler on the outside in second. Carmelo remains in third, Power of Destiny, Eloquence, and Pearl of the Orient. Rounding the far turn, it's Mr. Tatler on the outside, May the Thing by the rail. It's May the Thing by the rail. Mr. Tatler on the outside. Carmelo remains in third by 3.5 lengths. And Eloquence, Power of Destiny. And here comes Pearl of the Orient now moving up on the farther outside. And the last bend for home. May the Thing on the inside and Mr. Tatler moving up now on the outside. But it's still May the Thing by the rail. On the outside is Mr. Tatler. Mr. Tatler on the outside, May the Thing, and here comes Pearl of the Orient. It's May the Thing by the rail on the outside, Mr. Tatler, and here comes Pearl of the Orient moving up on the inside. It's Pearl of the Orient by the rail on the outside, it's Mr. Tatler, and finally at the payoff line, it's Pearl of the Orient, Mr. Tatler, May the Thing, Carmelo, Eloquence, and Power of Destiny.
Okay, 6-4-2 ang ating unofficial.